guys, I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I'm always wittering on about vinegar, using vinegar in the bathroom, using vinegar to get rid of mold, using vinegar to get rid of scum on the bath. This is an example. I don't know if you guys can see, the lighting's not fabulous in here. So this is the bath after a use by my little girl, and there's a dirt line around the bath. Normally, if I try and clean this just with a scrubbing brush, it doesn't come off very well. I have to spend a lot of time scrubbing it. So what I like to do is get a vinegar, which is just pure vinegar. And I spray this around the bath rather than using a cleaning spray. I don't like to use those kind of things on surfaces when my little one is going to be having a bath. Sorry, helps if you open it. And I spray this around, and it will literally take all of this scum that's been left around the bath, and it dissolves it effectively. And do a good coating around the bath. I use this just as a general cleaner on a lot of other items as well. It's really good. I'll spray all the way around here, and then I'll leave that for probably 20 minutes, and I'll come back and scrub it. I've got a an extendable scrub brush, just a cheap one that I got from Temu. It's got a long handle, so I don't have to bend down into the tub. And I'll come back and scrub that, and then I'll update you guys. Hi, so I've just completed cleaning the bath. If you can see, there's no scum ring anymore in the bath, and that was literally just using vinegar. So these marks here have been there since we've moved in. I can't get those off, and they refuse to come off. And this one, don't know what it is, whether they've tried to do a bath repair or something on it, but yeah, that's a pretty good result. I also used it on the taps, so it makes the taps nice and shiny. I've just given it a wipe down, and then around here, if you saw in the other video, there was a lot of build-up and lime scale and just general dirt, and even the mold on the sealant on the back that's come off. I just used a toothbrush, just a basic toothbrush for that one, and that'll come up nicely. Also, the vinegar is also very good for using on sinks as well. If you see this surface that we've got here, so this sink has not been cleaned in a couple of days. You've got lime scale build-up, we've got flecks all over the tap, all sorts going on. Spray this around. And the same process with this. So I leave this on a good 20 minutes. It's really good for polishing up taps as well. And this is the results of the sink. So same, I just used a toothbrush around here and a toothbrush around here. There was a lot of lime scale build-up because there's an issue with this tap at the minute leaking. Removed all of the scum from the sink.